So everyone, this is an annoying error message you always get when you're trying to install a WordPress theme. I understand the fact that you've experienced this countless times, but what is the way forward? Stick with me and I'll show you how to actually fix this the right way. Now, I tried to install a particular theme right now and it's giving me this error message, installing theme from uploaded file. So this is the name of the theme, Armenian theme.zip. Now this is the error message. Unpacking the package, installing the theme. The package could not be installed. The theme is missing the style.css style sheet. Theme installation field. So how do we resolve this? It's very simple. Now, the first question we should ask ourselves is, why did we get this kind of message? The simple answer is, we uploaded the wrong theme or the wrong file. Now let me show you the folder. Let me zoom out a little. Now this is my WordPress. So after installing, it gave me this error message now. Let me show you the theme I uploaded just now. So this is the theme I uploaded just now. Armenia theme, right? So I uploaded it just like this. Let me show you how I did it. So go to appearance, go to add new. I want to add a theme. So I will show you how I got the error message and how I am going to fix it. So upload the theme. Alright, choose file. So this is the file I uploaded. So let me click on this on desktop. So let me click on it. You see the error message I'll get. So install. So let me install. Okay. Perhaps I should just pause this so that after it is done installing, I will play it so that we don't waste time. So this is the error message I got after uploading it. So as you can see, unpacking the theme, unpacking the package, installing the theme, the package could not be installed. The theme is missing style.css style sheet, meaning that we don't have a CSS file in the theme. That is the error message. But the reason why we're getting this is because we installed the wrong package. That's the fact. That's just the thing. So how do we fix this? The first thing is we're not supposed to install this. We're not supposed to install this directly. The first step is to right click, then extract it. So we have to know the content inside first, because not everything is supposed to be uploaded. So extract all. So extract it to this place. I'm extract it to my desktop here. Extract. Alright, so this is what I've extracted. So now when you extract, you have a folder. Look at now, this is the folder. So open. Okay, so you can see that we have two files here. Let me show you very well view. So you have two folders here, right? Now this is where the files are. You can see Armenia all files. So click on this. So you must look for the main file. That's the solution. Look for where the main file is stored. That's just the solution. So if you're having this error message, it means that you are not installing the right file. So let me show you. If you're having this error message, it means that you are not installing the right theme or the right file. Do you understand? So in this particular situation now, I installed a theme that comprised of different things. Just like you're supposed to upload something that contains A, but you're uploading something that has A, B, C, D. That's just the reason here. So let's see how we can fix this. So this is what I have right now. So for us to get the file, as you can see this one now, compress zip folder. This is the real file we are supposed to upload. Now for us to confirm, let us confirm. So let me extract. I'm very sure that this is the real file, but I don't know yet. So let me right click and extract what is inside. to confirm if that's true. So extract. So I'm extracting it here. Okay, so let me pause it. So it is extracting. All right, it's almost complete. We want to confirm the things that are inside. We want to know if that's the real file or not. So the major solution is to upload the right file. That's simple. So the issue is that where you got this thing from where you got this thing from, they put a lot of files inside. So now I have extracted it. Now this is what I extracted, this folder. Now it's not a folder now. So let me click on it and open. As you can see, this is a folder now, right? Not Mac OS. This add mania. So click on it and see. As you can see, these are the files that we're supposed to have on the website. As you can see. Are you seeing? Look at it here, style.css. This is the style file. CSS source file. Are you seeing it here? Can you see? So this is what is missing actually. So these are the files that we are supposed to upload itself. So you must look for all this in any file that you want to upload. As you can see, you must have look at the index. So all these files are the correct files that we're supposed to upload alone. As you can see. And do not forget, you're only uploading a zip file, not a folder, a zip file. So I only extracted it so that you can see. So let me go back. So now, do not forget this is the folder, right? I extracted this. I told you that this is actually the real file, but wanted to confirm. So I extracted it to see the content inside. So having seen the content, you can now upload this zip folder, or you can upload this zip folder, right? Or you can convert it to zip. Do you understand? So if you want to convert it to zip, normally is to right click and send zip folder. So let me save it as template real. All right, now so we have this template real. As you can see, 7 MB. This is 6.99 MB. Now whichever one is supposed to work because they're the same files. So let us solve this problem now. Let me zoom out. Okay, for you to upload this theme, go to appearance. All right, a new theme, upload a theme. Okay, so let's see where it is. Okay, so let me go back, choose file. Now do not forget to have extracted it, right? So you click on this is what I've extracted, the folder. Now this is where we can find the file, add mania or files. Click on it. Now these two are the same thing. This add mania, this and this, they are the same thing. So I can upload any one I like. You are not uploading a folder, you're uploading a zip file. As you can see, zip. So let me click on this, add mania zip file. So open. So click on it, open. All right, click on install now. Let us see if it's going to be solved or not. So it is, as you can see, it is rolling. So let me pause the video. So as you can see, it is installing now. It has installed. I believe you can see. So let me zoom in so you can see very well. It said installing theme from uploaded file, add mania.zip, unpacking the theme, installing the theme installed successfully. So how did we arrive at this? We arrived at this because we're able to install the right file, the right theme. As you can see, we uploaded the right theme. So the only issue was we are installing the wrong theme or the wrong content. Do you understand? So let me go back from the beginning again and explain to you why we got the error. So at first I uploaded this theme. I got this zip file. I got this theme from somewhere. Let's say I bought it or I got it somewhere. So the first mistake I made was I uploaded this just the way it is, not knowing that it contains a lot of different things. It contains both the correct file and other unnecessary files. So what did I do first? I extracted this to see what is inside, and I got this folder, right? So I clicked on it. So in this folder, you must look for where you get the main files, and the main files is gotten from this particular folder, admenia or files. So whatever folder you have, you must look for the main files. That is the key. So I'll click on this. Now in this place here, do not forget I did it myself. So in this place now, I saw this admenia. This is zip file that I need rather. But since we are not sure, I have to extract it to see what is inside. So after extracting it, I got this. This is a folder. So I clicked on this. So this for Mac OS, leave this one. So this is the file. This is the folder. Let's confirm it. So obviously these are the contents, or these are the files you see for a website. Look at now, this is the style.css that was missing. Look at it, style.css. Then you can see index. Do you understand? So when you see all these kind of files, look now, you can see archive, author bio, comments, content page, content single footer, functions, header, comments, content page, content single footer, functions, header, index, page full width. Do you understand? So these are things you'll find in the folder of a website: single bar content, admin, Instagram, sidebar content, sidebar homepage. Do you understand? So these are sidebar rights. So these are once you see something like this, it means you are in the right folder. So for you to get the right folder, you must check if it has index, it has style.css. Look at, you must check something like for something like this. So when you see files like this, that means you are in the right folder. Now do not forget, you are not uploading a folder, you are uploading a zip file. So this is the folder. I will not upload this, I will upload this. This is a zip file. So it is this that I turned to this template view. So this was not here, let me delete. And this wasn't here, let me delete. So this is what I saw. So that was why I uploaded this. Now I believe this is clear. So for you to solve this issue of CSS file missing, look for the correct file to upload. Follow the steps. Step 1, extract the zip file to see the content inside. Then look for where the main file is. I believe after doing this, you will get the issue resolved. I wish you best of luck, and if you have any issues so far, kindly give me a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share it, because I believe this is a particular issue that a lot of web developers and web designers have when they get a team from particular websites and they are unable to actually install the package. So share this video to them, share this video to your loved ones, so that they can also enjoy the benefits you've enjoyed so far. And most especially, do not forget to subscribe, because I will keep on uploading videos to ensure that the issues you have with web development and website design are solved. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, turn on your notification bell, subscribe, and also share the video. Leave a comment. See you in the next video.